So you want to become a hacker, right? Not the Hollywood type that types 3 lines of code and takes down the government. I mean a real hacker. The kind that understands how systems work, breaks things to make them better, and gets paid a lot to find digital flaws before the bad guys do. So this is how you do it. No BS, no Matrix fantasy. Hacking isn't about typing fast, it's about thinking smart. First step, understand the basics. How the internet works, HTTP, DNS, IP addresses, all that juicy stuff. How operating systems work, especially Linux. What ports, protocols, and networks do. Because if you don't know how a system is supposed to work, you'll never know how to break it. This is where a lot of people drop off. They want the flashy part, but real hackers study the boring stuff first. That's your edge. Step number 2, you need your tools. And guess what? Code is your toolkit. You don't need to be a genius, but you should know Python for scripts and automation, JavaScript for web hacking because every site runs on it, and C for low-level exploits. Optional, but if you're serious, you need it. And don't just copy-paste code from forums. Write your own tools, tweak others, get your hands dirty. The more you build, the more you'll understand how to break it. Step number 3, here's where it gets really fun. Real world hacking practice basically. Start with Try Hack Me, Hack the Box, and CTFs. Capture the flag challenges that teach you hands-on hacking step by step. These platforms are gold mines. You'll learn how to find vulnerabilities, exploit them, and patch them. All legally, of course. And yes, you can get paid for it through bug bounty programs. That's when companies pay you to hack them with permission, of course. And step number 4, build a portfolio, not a rap sheet. Real hackers don't hide in the shadows anymore. They get hired. If you're good, there are jobs in cybersecurity firms, government defense units, or freelance bounty hunting, working from anywhere. Just build a solid rap, share what you learn, post walkthroughs without spoilers, contribute to open source security tools, and to be fair, you don't need a CS degree, but you do need proof that you know your stuff. So yeah, this is how you become a hacker. Now obviously I'm just scratching the surface here, but the main idea is simple. Forget the hoodie in the dark stereotype. It's all about understanding how systems tick, solving problems creatively, and always digging deeper.